Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $19 an hour for the next like half an hour. This first order is going to be a Mr. Maple Donuts. I believe it said it was going like 4.5 miles. Thank you. Yeah, that was a no tip. Total for that one was like $6 and change, and got the next one right away. This is a Jack in the Box. This is going 5 miles. A couple seconds later, and they just gave me an add-on order. This is going an extra 4 miles.
Look at the Jack in the Box. So can I go for you?
This to connect.
Is that everything? That's all of it? Mm-hmm. Thank you. Well, there went the rest of the peak pay. That was like a 15-minute wait at the drive-thru. Kind of feel bad for the people behind me, but it didn't tell me to pull up to the front or anything, so not really my fault. All right, finally made it here. I like how they included 2 different entry codes, and they're both like 10 digits long. Total for those 2 was $27. One of them was a no tip, and the other one was a $10 tip. Next up is a Black Rock coffee. This one is going about 2 miles.
For both of me right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Total for that order was $4 and change. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This is going less than a mile.
Here's
Thank you.
Of course, thank you.
It says, no mayo or special sauce on burgers. Extra ketchup packets, please. Blue cheese crumbs. Like, am I building your burger? What burger am I building? What is happening? Shut up. No tip. Total for that was $3. Holy cringe. Finally got the next order. This is a McDonald's. This one is going 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Top floor we go. No tip on that. Total for that was $6. Next order is a Seize the Bagel. This one's going 4.5 miles. Total for that one was $9. Okay, decent. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. This is Jack in the Box and McDonald's. I believe it said it was going like 5.5 miles. That's a no tip. Total for that one was $10. Next order up is a Gravity Coffee. This is going 3.5 miles. And there is a line, a very big line. This window's closed. Awesome.
How are you? Have a nice day.
Me too. So I looked over when I was waiting for my drinks, and apparently at the other window they were helping someone, but I thought it was closed. That was the only reason I had to wait in that line. Total for that order was $10. Finally got the next order. This is an IHOP going 4.5 miles.
Have a good day.
You too. So the parking lot is packed, but there's like nobody inside the lobby, which is kind of weird, but I'll take it. Total for that one was $9. Next order up is El Jefe Birria and Tacos. This one is going 4 miles. Total for that was $8 and got the next one right away. This is a McDonald's going just under 3 miles.
Picking up?
Yeah, for
Okay.
P56.
It doesn't matter. It
Looks
takes
like they're bagging it.
just,
Oh, this one?
just a little bit of time, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any amount.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just lovely. Am I just supposed to guess what apartment number this is going to, or what? And they're not replying. I'm done after this. This is so dumb.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Of course that was a no tip, because why not? Total for that was $5 and change. We are going home. Current time is 10 o'clock. Total is $95. Now imagine if everybody tipped at least $1. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.